So, I'll record this one. Review lang natin yung mga napag-usapan natin for the first 2 days. So to be a pro online networker, we have to maximize the social media, yung online platforms that we have, the Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. At least post 3 to 5 videos per day, photo and video about your business. And syempre, we also discuss the personal branding because we believe the first product here is yourself. So the way you want to brand yourself is the way you want people to see who you are. So how you want to see yourself and how you want others to see you is your personal brand. My personal brand is a young entrepreneur, a millionaire, and a successful young family guy, a funny, happy guy. Yun yung branding ko. So you can choose your own branding the way you want to see yourself. It could be like, for example, Jackie Wong, an entrepreneur from Iloilo, Ana Garcia and Ana Resio could be a young mom entrepreneur, pwedeng ganon. Or for Krisha Harleen, for a housewife entrepreneur. For basketball players like Boba, pwedeng yung gawin. You can use that branding. No? You can post you playing basketball at the same time having your own business. So that could be a personal brand. Personal branding is about imaging. So what you want to see yourself, ano yung gusto mong makita ng tao sa'yo? What's your mission, what's your values, and what's your vision? Okay? And creating values, this is just a review, rundown. Create contents like education and entertainment and inspiration about our business. Share every day about sharing. Keep on posting videos, keep on posting on podcasts, infographics, etc. Okay? Bottom line here, kailangan natin gumawa ng content araw-araw. Okay? Today, I made the content. It's about cars. So I wanted to inspire people using sports cars. So that's me. I'm the young entrepreneur who loves cars, millions, sports cars. Yun yung packaging ko. That's my self-image. So you can image yourself the way you want to image yourself, like a professional woman inside your office, doing your business, doing your work for the same business. Okay, so there. So package yourself. I hope na-package nyo na yung sarili nyo ng mabuti. Kung ano yung gusto nyong packaging for yourself. But package yourself the way who you are para hindi ka medyo mahirapan. Okay? And then we talked about last night, the last part of our meeting about the lead generation. How can we get leads? How can we get prospects? By having a magic hook. Magic hook is something that you post a question like, who wants to be a millionaire? Or for example, sino dito ang may diabetes? Or sino dito naghahanap ng negosyo sa Iloilo? So those can be a question mark hook na pwede natin gamitin. Okay? So, one of which, lead conversion. Paano natin mapapadala yung prospect natin to our presentation? So, from getting the lead, then convert them to watch our presentation. That's why, guys, I'm requesting everybody na makagawa po kayo ng presentation like what is Boba doing and Mo. They are taking videos, them presenting the business. Because again, video presentation, you presenting the business is always more effective than watching other people's video. Now, for some friends you have, they would have a trust foundation if they see you talking in the video. And then next, optimization. Meaning to say, we can invite them to our centerings. Yun naman ang pinaka-step natin eh. Number 1, get prospects. Number 2, get them join the group. Then number 3, bring them in the centering. That's why, guys, no, I want you to maximize our centering. For some people, you might think, ang centering ba is for the members only? No, pwede rin po kayo mag-invite ng mga non-members. Baka sakali, we can help them decide, and probably we can help them be more curious about the business. That's why I'm thinking we can rename this centering as a masterclass. Pwedeng ganun eh. Mastermind. It's a mastermind conference, how to be an online entrepreneur, how to earn millionaires mastermind. Pwedeng ganun. I will create a title para we can also use our centering as to get prospects. So kung di natin sila makuha as prospects to watch the video, probably you can use me, this centering, this masterclass, to get curiosity, to get interest from your clients. So you can invite them, bro, you want to attend our millionaires mastermind class? It's only at 9 to 10 p.m. It's for free. So pwedeng gano'n eh, kasi pwedeng after neto they would ask you separately, ano yung pinag-uusapan, ano yung business nyo? And then that's the time you can present the business, offline, online, or video. So use this one also. We are opening the centering, or soon to be called Millionaires Mastermind Conference. Something like that. We'll create it together. Something like about Creating Millions Masterclass. Masterclass in Creating Millions. Pwedeng ganon, di ba? So let's come up with a title for this coming days. Okay, so this is just a review. Marketing starts with a super strong hook. Ano ba yung strong hook? Ito yung nakakapag-grab na attention nila in millisecond. Kaya kung mapapansin niyo, there are posts that there are questions in front of their photo. Want to be a millionaire quick? Diba? Something, coffee business for 5,000? Question mark. Start a networking marketing journey with me? Question mark. Something that can hook them. So a magic hook or a strong hook is something that can attract people or customer to watch your video or to message you, or something that can motivate them to pay attention on your content. Okay? So last night we talked about this already. Yung ating about the magic hook. Ano ba yung mga magic hook? 'Di ba? Ang magic hook natin is something like this. Magic hooks are, wait a minute, it's not moving. This was discussed last night sa mga nakapag-attend. Ang mga magic hook po natin ay mag-move. Yan. Something like free, instant, secret, effortlessly, every time, use numbers. Like for example, be a millionaire in 6 months, earn your first million in 6 months, 90,000 pesos monthly income, looking for 1 million monthly income, something like that. So madami tayong makikita online. So this is just to give you an idea ano yung pwede natin gawin. Use trigger words like free, instant, secret, effortlessly, every time, and use numbers. Use negative words like do not, mga ano yung di ba may mga post na ganun, do not blah blah blah, bawal magganito. Yun yung pinaka hook mo. Sometimes ganun, di ba mayroong mga post na do not watch, pero people will still watch the video they're posting. So you can tweak your post, putting some contrast like that. Use hyperbolic terms like sky high, dominate, earth shattering, etc. Okay, this is just a review. So rundown lang natin to, guys, ha. This is the part 2, but we're going on the part 3. So our goal is not to be scrolled. Meaning to say, ayaw nating yung post natin ay i-scroll lang nila pataas. Ayaw natin yun, guys. Alright? So, ang goal natin is tayo ay mapakinggan. Tayo ay mapanood nila yung ating post, no? Wait, I'll just connect my mic for a better audio. Okay. Wait a minute. So I'm just connecting my mic guys para better audio natin. So there. Connecting mic. So Magic Hook is the step 1 to get our clients to be part to open the post that we have. Okay. All right. So going back guys, no? I'm setting the audio to my mic para better audio, receive mo better.
Alright. So that's better, guys, no? For sure, better to. Okay. So going back, no? Going back. That was just a review. So we don't want to be scrolled up. Ang goal natin is gusto natin mapanood nila yung ating video presentation. So we don't want a wasted post. Okay? So for us to do that, we need to make sure that we don't get scrolled past. We need to create a hook that dominate your feeds. What are the magic hooks? Use something like instant, you, free, never, lucky, money, secret, and so forth. Secret to become a millionaire, secret to earn 1 million, secret to become successful, secret to become a successful network marketer. A lucky steps for you to have instant millionaire in network marketing. Ako kasi ganun diretso eh. You can secrets to become a basketball player earning millions. You know, you can touch at one point you can touch basketball players like you. Okay? Or for Ann Garcia naman, secrets to become a network marketer while being a contractor. For some people, madami din contractor. Makikita yung post mo, o nga no, contractor ako, but I need something on the side. Di ba? All right. So now, let's start on the part 3 of our training. So that was a run through, the first 1 and 2 for the people who wasn't able to join our centering for the last 2 days. Now, the part 3 of our how to be a pro network marketer online. Number one, we need to attend of events, conferences, like-minded individuals with the same interest goals. Guys, if you will check your Facebook, there are a lot of events, a lot of conferences, online and offline, we need to attend about network marketing, about business, about entrepreneurship, about coffee shops, about barley, a lot. You need to be out, you need to be visible to these conferences. Me, I join events. I join conferences, online conferences about business, about yung ibang mga nag-o-offer diyan, sumasali din ako para makilala din nila ako. And then after that, we exchange Facebook accounts. Before ang exchange ng business is calling card. Ngayon iba na. Our exchange is Facebook account. Before you attend meetings, you go to function rooms, events, blah blah blah. Now you attend meetings via Zoom and conference call. So attend those conference calls and events. So that's one of the biggest thing that could help you expand your network and also leverage the social media groups. Everybody has a Facebook account. Did you know that there are more than 70 million people on Facebook alone in the Philippines? The best way for you to network, the best way, faster, cheaper for you to expand your networking business is for you to join social media groups, platforms to connect your potential leaders and partners. Ito yung maaaring magamit natin para mahanap natin yung leader mo. Lagi mong tatandaan, meron at merong taong para sa'yo. Always remember, there is a leader for you. He is just around there in the ocean, waiting for you. Attend social media groups, attend forums, attend seminars, attend webinars, attend online events, online trainings, attend global connections. Uso na ngayon yan eh. Yung mga global events, networking. Guys, this is networking. So you need to be networking with people. You need to be connected with people. Hindi ka dito pwedeng alone. You should be talking to a lot of people every day. It could be about your business. It could be about their business. But if it's about their business, we can have a listening ear. But at the end of the conversation, you bring them to your business. No? Okay. So, the key is to provide a valuable information. The question is, how do I get people to watch my presentation? After you recording your business presentation, nung business natin, how do how do you get people call you? First, you need to provide the valuable information to educating them or entertaining them. No? If you watch my wall, you'll see inspirational quotes. That's how I want to educate people. I am more than a coffee business. I am a networker. I am promoting network marketing business. I am not just promoting coffee, barley, health, wealth. No, I am promoting a network marketing business can change your life. If you are a student, it can change your life. If you are a college graduate looking for a job, looking for a business, this is the best business for you. If you're already a traditional businessman, an architect, engineer, this could be an option for you. Okay? Understand your audience pain points. How do I create wait lang. Wala. Hmm, Bubula ako guys ha. How do I create content? Understand your audience pain points and address them directly. Okay, let's pick wait, let's get the person here inside. Let's pick Ann Garcia. Okay. Let's choose a market businesswoman, businessman, traditional. That's your audience. Okay. Now, what are the pain points? Are you having a hard time mag, for paying your employees, looking for clients, balancing your sheet? Are you having a hard time in your business, having too much stress, too much pressure? Are you already burned out with the routine for the past years? In Tagalog na para mabilis. Pagod ka na ba magpasweldo ng mga empleyado at hindi naman nagtatrabaho naman? Pagod ka na ba magbayad ng mga upa? Pagod ka na ba sa traditional business na ang laki-laki ng gastos mo, ang kita mo maliit? Pagod ka na ba mamuhunan pero after 5 years mo pa makukuha? By that point, that's already a pain point. Tandaan natin, hindi lang ikaw ang 2 taon, 3 taon bago kumulekta. Ang madaming taong ganun. Yung kausap mo lang kanina, ganun eh. At some point, yung question na ibabato mo sa content mo, may tatamaan yun. Parang ako, bagong graduate ka ba? Naghahanap ka ng trabaho at pagkakakitaan? Huwag ka nang umikot-ikot pa. May papakita ko sa'yo. Garantasado ang 500,000 mo per month. Something like that. Medyo bado yung sinabi ko pero pipinuhin ko pa yon. But the idea is understand your audience, pick your audience, pick the pain of your audience, and then send 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 a solution, no? For example, Boba, pick your audience, basketball players. Are you playing basketball for 5 years, 10 years, and then until now you still don't like your life? I have something for you. We can earn money. We can we can uh we can be a millionaire while playing basketball. Talk to your video. Talk to the person who is in pain. Ask questions. Are you the person who is until now don't know what job, what work to do? Are you a guy, a boy, a girl who's looking for to become a millionaire? Kasi may market na ganun eh. Gusto ko maging milyonaryo, paano ba? 'Di ba? Talk to your audience, no? Always address a problem. If you will make a content, address a problem. 'Di ba kung mapapansin niyo yung mga post ni Ana Recio before, may diabetes ka ba? 'Di ba nung nagta-target pa siya ng barley clients? Are you a single mom, uh, trying to provide for a family, doing your best, working hard every day, overtime, doing two works at the same time just to survive for your family? Are you down with bills? Are you down with credit card bills? Are you delayed in your amortization? Are you a person? You have to ask those questions when you post, because one way or another you will hit that person. You know what? The best problem na ibabato mo sa labas, yung naging problema mo bago ka nagne-network. Nandiyan ka ba na nahihirapan kang, ako to na as a networker, nahihirapan ka ba mag-network, maghanap ng leads, maghanap ng downline? Tulungan kita. Di magme-message sa akin lahat ng mga networker na walang downline. Paano ba magkaroon ng madaming pay-in? Di gano'n. Kasi yun yung in-address kong problem. So address a problem in your video. Like for example, DJ, are you a car dealer, a car salesman, but you haven't been wala ka pa rin nabebenta for 2 years at sumasakit na ulo mo? I have a solution for you. If you cannot sell a car, I have an opportunity for you. Di ba? Are you a person down ang credit card mo? Are you a person na ang asawa mo na sa ibang bansa? Like for example, Gemma Kupan. Asawa mo ba na sa ibang bansa nakikipag sapalaran para buhayin ng pamilya mo sa Pilipinas? Tumatagal ng panahon, lumalaki mga anak mo pero hindi mo kasama. Dahil saan? Dahil sa kailangan yung kumita. Kapatid, message mo ko. May papakita ko sa yung negosyo. Video, sisend ko sa iyo. Panoorin mo. Dito magbabago buhay mo. Kasi dito nagbago buhay ko. So I hope medyo na-gets yung ibig ko sabihin na you have to address a certain problem and then we will provide the solution. The solution is the video they need to watch because your presentation is the solution. Pick a problem. Single mom, a student, a basketball player, young fresh graduate ka ba sa current na trabaho mo na call center or salesman ng insurance or ng real estate, hindi ka nakakabenta, wala kang kita for how many months? Message mo ko, meron ako opportunity para sa'yo. All right? So let's use that strategy. Address a problem when we post. And the next, when we post, we should use the visual content. We videos are always more powerful than photos. Pansinin nyo, when you browse your Facebook, your Instagram, when you see a photo, you just scroll it up. But when you see a video, somehow, for 5 seconds, you will watch it for a while. 5-10 seconds. Videos can get more attention than photos. And it performs very well in network marketing. If you are network marketing today, you need leads, you need clients, you need prospects, create videos. For example, Jackie Wong, create a video. Nasa meeting ka with your downlines, nagtitimpla ka ng barley coffee mo or barley juice mo, talk about your barley. Nakita ko one time si Jackie nagpost na ng ganun eh. She's talking about barley. That's very effective. People are watching that. Kung wala nag-inquire sa'yo ng time na yon, but some people saw you. And tatatak yun sa isip nila, barley, si Jackie Wong yun, taga Iloilo. So our goal is make a video, create a hook. Hook is a problem. Problem is a question. Question, our solution is for them to watch your video. Because our goal here is for them to watch your video. That's why we need to create a video, guys, this week, at your most comfortable time in your office, in your house, in your condo, wherever you are, create a video. Because yun yung papanoorin nila eh. Pag-create natin ng hook, doon sila babagsak. Do not use my video. It will be more effective if they see you. Okay? Next. It's important also to stay engaged. After getting them in Facebook, your friends, Instagram, TikTok. Then you converted them to watch your video. They understood the business and then they become a member down your downline. The most important is you have to bring them here every night, yung 9 p.m. Because this one is what we call the centering. Centering is keeping. The key to be a successful networker is in keeping. Prospecting is one thing. Presentation is second thing. Third thing is the pay in. But the most important is keeping. Keeping, centering would create a stronger foundation for your network marketing group. Because in keeping, this is where we learn every day. Because this is where we bond every day. This is where we share, and this is where we build relationships. That's why centering is as much as is as important as pay in every week, everyday pay, everyday presentation. That's why I'm very happy to all the people who's always here. Ann Garcia, Ana Recio, Boba and Mo, DJ, Haley and Harleen, Gemma Copan, Jackie Wong, Kizaya, Naomi, El Caray. If you only know, I deeply appreciate you guys being here every night. Priceless. Like you, I'm like you. Uh, Kanina, no, it's already 8 o'clock but I'm still in Ortigas. I have to drive home fast. 8:30 na medyo na ako, I'm still on the road. 8:45 nagbababa pala ako ng gamit. But I have to make sure by 9 o'clock I'm in front of you guys. So I'm just like you. I have things to do. I have obligations. I have blah, 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 etc. But when it's 9 p.m., there is an extra effort. Like now, wala pa akong dinner. Hindi pa ako makain pero yung mga anak ko kumakain na ngayon sa tabi ko. But still, this is a commitment. And I know one of you guys and most of you guys are also sacrificing their 1 hour of their life. Like si Jackie Wong, naka-efficacent na, magre-relax na, matutulog na. But they still find time to be in the centering, bond with the team, share the good energy. Guys, this is the most powerful. Maniwala kayo. This will give you millions. And this will create your team foundation. Ito ang magpapatibay sa network nyo, maniwala kayo sa akin. That's why apat lang ang paa ng lamesa. Pero pag matibay ang apat na paa mo, kahit anong bigat na nakalagay sa ibabaw ng lamesa, hindi tutumba yan. Yung paa na yan is number one, the presentation every day. In English, sorry, baba mo. In a table, there are 4 legs. And those 4 legs is what you call your foundation. If you have a strong foundation, anything that you put in on top of the table, any heavy thing that you put on top, it's okay because your foundation is strong. In network marketing, your 4 legs are this. Every day, you have a presentation because that is putting money inside your network. Second, every week you have pay-in, and that is making sure that your business is doing good. At least you have money every week because for your operation. Number 3, every day you are in the centering. You are with the same like-minded people. Kaya kung mapapansin ninyo, ang mga mayayaman may sarili silang VIP room. Even the billionaires, even the millionaires, they have their own group. Kaya nga 'di ba may Lions Club, may mga Eagles, may mga unknown group natin. Not because they are just making chika-chika, no. There is certain energy that you absorb from another person you are talking to or being with or listening to. This is the thing that can build your network very, very, very strong. At ika-fourth, guys, para maging successful ka networker, dapat meron kang malupit na upline. Hindi mo kakayanin ito mag-isa. Hindi nyo kakayanin ito mag-isa. Hindi ko din kakayanin ito mag-isa. Kailangan malupit yung upline ko. Kailangan malupit yung upline mo. And I am here as your upline doing my best to help my team. Researching, attending seminars, developing, adapting to the current market, looking for more ways for easier for you guys to have pay-ins. 'Di ba? From that before from 17,000 nagkaroon ng 5,000. Before from barley nagkaroon ng coffee. 'Di ba ngayon magkakaroon pa ng siomai siopaw. We are making things easier for everybody para magkaroon kayo ng pay-in. Okay? So that's one of the most important thing that we need to have is we need to have a mentor. So if you have a mentor, alagaan niyo yung mentor niyo. Because your mentor will always want to have to best for you. No mentors want you to not to win in the game because it's a win-win situation. Find a mentor. If you found your mentor, number one, you always have to respect your mentor. Respect your mentor because your mentor is doing his best for the business. He may not be perfect at some point because tao lang naman ang mentor natin, apply natin. Patawarin niyo na rin. A strong relationship between you and your mentor, you will always have respect with each other at the same time, forgive them on their shortcomings. Ang tagal naman nito sumagot ng mentor ko, ang tagal mag-reply. Ayoko na, magki-quit na ako, pupunta na ako sa ibang company, ang tagal mag-reply ng mentor ko. Ano ba yung mentor ko? Wala na palagi sa meeting ko. Ayoko na mentor ko. Always remember your mentor is like you. Tao lang din, may pamilya, may asawa, may anak, may obligasyon, may problema din. But your mentor is doing his best. Kaya kung may mentor ka dyan, kapatid, every day, say thank you. Because your mentor is doing this for you for free. Your mentor can have a choice to sleep na lang, pahinga na lang, hayaan na lang, madami na naman siyang tao eh. But still, he shows up for you, not only for you, but for your team. Kaya be very, very grateful to your mentor. Alagaan niyo sila, pag-pray niyo sila araw-araw because these are the people actually working for us. Imagine mo, these people are always thinking how they can develop things, how can they improve. Pero tayo, di ba, chill lang, kausap-usap lang. But mentor will always, what is the good training for these people? What is the best comp plan for these people? What are the good strategies for our people? Okay, be thankful to our mentor. Say thank you all the time. Okay. Step one of the best thing that you need to remember, the most important thing to be honest, you need to look for someone to talk to every day. It could be warm, it could be cold. Sa Tagalog, guys, ayoko na kayong paikot-ikutin pa. Kailangan araw-araw may kausap kayo. Lahat ng training na to makakatulong to. Lahat ng seminars makakatulong. Lahat ng mga centering makakatulong to. But at the end of the day, you need to talk to someone about your business. Today, I think very few showed their business. Ang alam ko lang I don't wanna judge anyone here, but ang alam ko lang sila Ron and Jen and Ann Garcia may meeting kanina sa isang potential client. They showed the business. Present the business. And some, I hope this will be the last day. Do not let one day pass without you having at least one person to talk to about your business. It could be offline. It could be online. If your prospect is not available, hey, no worry, it's okay. We can talk online. I can call you in Messenger. I can video call you. I can share you my screen. I can just tell you about my business. Our main goal is to have one person to talk to, at least per day. Step 2. Once you have one prospect, the step 2 is asking them a proper question. Remember the question? Ask first. Huwag yung bibira ka kagad. Oh, ito nga pala kami, 5288, 90,000 per month, coffee kami, JC kami, tapos the one left, one right, pairing, 315. It's not like that. Dissenting networkers tayo. Hindi tayo cheap. Hindi rin tayo namimilit ng tao. Hindi tayo chipanga. Okay? So we ask first. Why do we ask? First, We want to save our time. Probably, pag nagtanong ka, alam mo naman palang ayaw niya. So, why present kung ayaw naman niya? At least you save your time. Actually, you know what I just realized? When a person tells you na I'm not open, you know what? You should thank them. We should thank them. Just tell them, thank you so much. Thank you so much for telling me that you are not open for a million opportunity. Thank you so much. At magtatakin, why are you thanking me? Thank you, hindi mo ako pinagod. Kasi hindi ka naman open sa 1,000,000 kada buwan eh. Thank you ah. So don't get frustrated. He's not open. No. You know what? Say thank you. Guys, let's do that. When someone says, "No, I'm not, oh, thank you, ah. Thank you so much." Kunyari nag-flyer ka, Naomi, nagbigay ka ng flyer, nagsabi siya, "No, no, I don't like," 'di ba usually what we do, nasisimangot tayo. No, just tell, "Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you for what? Thank you for not getting my flyer. Why? Why? Thank you. Thank you, 'di mo sinayang yung flyer ko. Piso 'to." Let's do that. Internally also, let's do that. Thank you, you did not waste my time because you're not open to earn 1 million per month. Thank you. Thank you that you told me not open for network marketing, because if you did not tell me all the way from Makati, I will travel to Quezon City to talk about the business and then you'll tell me you're not open. I would rather hear a no now kesa nagpresent ako na ayaw mo pala. You get my point, team? You get the point? Okay lang humindi yung tao kesa nag-present ka, sasabihin niyang ayaw niya. Kaya it's always better to ask question first. Are you open? I am just curious if you are open for an opportunity to earn extra 500,000 to 1 million per month. If you are, let me know. I can show it to you. But if not, no worries. Thank you so much. No worries. Thank you so much. Ask first. It will save you a lot of money, time, and effort. Ask first. Ask first, Naomi. Ask first, Elka, Kizaya, Jackie Wong, Gemma Copan, Haley, DJ, Boba, Mo, Ann Garcia, Ana Resio. Ask them first. Are you open for an extra 1 million per month opportunity? Let me know if you are, pero if not, you know what? Thank you and no worries. No, no, I'm not open. Ah, thank you. But why thank you? Thank you for telling me you're not open, ah. Ha? Mawi-weird doon yun. What? Thank you so much. Yung itsura mo pa parang nampipikon. Thank you so much. Sinabi mong ayaw mo. Thank you. Alam mo ako gawin mo sa akin na sira ulo ata itong kausap ko ah. Thank you so much daw. Dininay ko yung meeting. Di ba Jackie, may kausap ka? Thank you so much. Ayaw niyo magpa-present. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ayaw niyo ng business. Thank you. What will be the reaction of your client? Why? Why are you thanking me? You're weird. Ano nga ba yan? Pakinggan ko na nga yan. Oh, see? Strategy. Ask first. Step 3. After you ask them, for example, nag-yes na sila, okay, I'm open. There are two ways. Either you talk to them in front, offline, present them offline, or for some people na very busy, present them on Zoom, one-on-one kayo. Teka, let's set up Zoom 5 p.m. later. Teka, let's set a Zoom 7 p.m. I'll present to you. I'll share my screen. Wala pa rin time. No, I don't have time eh. Pero ang time ko, 2 a.m., 2 p.m., 3 a.m. Eh, nagkataon tulog ka. Send your video. Okay. I know you're very busy. I know you're doing so much things. And I know your time is different than my time. For example, you're from the Philippines and then your client is from Synagogue, Africa, Dubai, US, different time frame. Send your video. That's what your video for. Yun yung purpose ng video mo. Para mapadala natin siya anytime. So that you have a 24 hours presenter for your business. That's why I'm encouraging everybody this week, create your video even at home. Create a video, lock your door, put on a beautiful light so that they can see your face, record your face. Turn on your webcam, put on your PowerPoint, talk. We will use that for the rest of our life, that video. Kaya naisip ko, wag na rin kayo pumunta sa akin kasi baka mapagod pa kayo, mapark pa kayo, mag-ano pa kayo, tapos mahihiya pa kayo sa akin, madami pang gulo. You might as well go to your room, lock the door, put on your lights, talk to your video. Hi, I'm Naomi. I am 16 years old and I'm an entrepreneur and this is my business. Blah, 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 blah. Diba? Like Boba or like Kurt, like DJ. Ann Garcia, Ana Resio. Hi, I am Ana Resio. I'm currently right now working with et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And now I just want to share you my business and this business, blah 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 blah. Blah. Number one, it save your time. Number two, it's the cheapest way to market your business. May video ka na eh. Number three, you can send it to all of your friends. Out of 100 friends, trust me, there are 2 to 3 person will ask, I'm interested there, Naomi. What is that? Right? So that's our main obligation this week. We need to record that. And if you would allow, only if you would allow, send me a copy para i-review natin. Baka may improve natin. Then you can shoot it again. If only you will allow, I can also help you. Send me a copy. Natapos mo na yung video. Tingnan natin, partner. What do you wanna adjust pa there? I think masyadong mahaba yung mo. Video mo. 2 hours eh. You know, a perfect video would always be 15 to 20 minutes. You should be done. The 3 parts of video, number one. Part number one is testimonial. Remember, start with testimonial. Do not start with the product plan. No. Start with testimonial. People will listen to your video because of the result of your business. People are result-based. They are not product-based. Pansinin nyo, bakit bumibili ng pampaputi ng kilikili? Kasi pinapakita ba, hinalo namin ng glutathione, may nilagay namin ng collagen dyan, may papaya sa loob. Wala silang pakialam doon. Ang pakialam nila, ilang tao pumuti ng kilikili dyan. So first part of your video, you should be showing testimonials. Your testimonial, before, I'm not blah blah blah, hindi ngayon nakapagpagawa na ako ng condominium ko, real video mo. Eto, napagawa ko na tong aircon ko, nabili ko na ganito ko, nakapagbayad na ako ng monthly ng condo ko. Ito, real video. Diba? Or for Ann Garcia, because of this, video mo, nagkaroon kami ng bonding kung mag-anak, ang anak ko. Before, for how many years, we don't talk. But in this business, real talk to priceless to. We may not be earning millions today, but me being with my son, before wala kaming relasyon, this is priceless. And the business gave that opportunity for us to share this relationship together. Hindi naman kasi puro pera lang eh. Parang ako, gawa ko video. I'm with my family 24 hours a day. I sleep with them, I wake up with them, I work with them. That's even priceless rather than earning so much millions pero ang pamilya ko napakalayo sa akin. Oo, kumikita ka ng 2 milyon, 3 milyon, naka-Mercedes-Benz, Range Rover ka, ang dami mong pera, pero hindi mo nga lang nakasama ang asawa mo kasi nasa ibang bansa ka. Parang ang labo nun. First part should be a testimonial. Jackie Wong, you can make a video, real videos, guys, ha? I am a ganito, blah, blah, now I am enjoying this. Show them what are the things that change, the business change in you. It could be mindset, it could be a lifestyle, it could be money. Boba mo, you take a video. Before, I'm just playing basketball without directions at all. But now, after I play basketball, right now, I'm focusing on my business. Those are testimonials. Then more of that, if you want to improve your testimonial part, grab all our testimonials. Check ko, check ni Ann, lahat na may check, sila Hailey, sila Harley, sila Ana Resio, lahat na may check. Online. Just type the top earners there, get the checks of Ann Bacho, nila Ran Makadangdang, Dayan Tan, all of them. Pak, put in your presentation. You know what? This is a call center. He earned 50,000, he earned ganito, blah, 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 blah. I used to do that before. Yung wala pa akong cheque. Ang testimonial ko, sila Ann Bacho, sila Ran Makadangdang. Ay, wala akong testimonial eh. Nung may testimonial na ako, hindi ko na sila pinapakita. But at the moment you're starting, use our testimonials. Then you go to your product, then you go to your comp plan, then you go to closing. Okay, 5 minutes to go, we're ending. Summary. 5 minutes to go, guys. We're ending the masterclass. Becoming a successful online networker requires dedication, persistence, willingness to learn and adapt. Guys, this will not be an easy journey, but this should require dedication and persistence, and also willingness to learn and adapt to the current life. Before, our life is just offline, but right now, half of our life are all in online. We send money online, we pay online, we check our friends online, we talk to our friends online. I think this is the best time for us to adopt that there is business online. Let's leverage the online platforms, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Let's provide quality posts to get our audience. Remember, building trust is our credibility for long-term success. Okay, so as we end, guys, 5:56, our pipeline is very simple. Okay, so our next topic would be our pipeline. Our pipeline is getting prospects. Paano ba ako magkakaroon ng prospect na hindi ako mauubusan ng prospect araw-araw? Number two, how can I invite them to see my video? Because guys, the main goal is for them to see your video. You, Naomi, Elka, kailangan mapanood nila yung video mo. Miss Ann Garcia, Naresio, DJ, Akupan, Boba, Hailey, everybody, Ryan Renz, Keziah, ang goal natin, mapanood nila yung video mo. And then after that, how can we convert them to join your team? In short, paano natin mapapapayin? Pag napapay na natin yan, ang tawag dyan, new business partner or new customer. Now, hindi pa magtatapos doon. The last part and the most important step in our pipeline is the training, duplication. That is my obligation. We are a team. My obligation is the training and duplication. Your obligation is to bring people inside. Pag nailagay mo na yung mga clients, mga downlines mo dyan, at ako na magte-train. Every night nandito ako 9 p.m. Imagine mo, tinuturuan ko lahat ng downline mo. Imagine if you have 1,000 downlines, they are being trained every day, Monday to Saturday, 9 p.m. for free. Wow! Because the name of the game is duplication, guys. So our main goal is dumami tayo sa centering sa masterclass. It shouldn't be like this. Every day tayo, Ana Resh, Garcia, Baba, DJ, Hailey Guasque, Gemma Copan, Elka, Jackie Wong, Keziah, Naomi Tuason, Ryan Renz, Ron and Jen. No. Kailangan nadadagdagan to, yung masterclass natin. Pag nadadagdagan to, ibig sabihin, lumalaki grupo natin. Okay, so as we end 5:59, we will be tackling Facebook ads. Okay? Then after that, Facebook ads. Ito yung nagbabayad tayo ng 50 to 100 pesos per day. Babagsak sa Facebook page natin, which is our website about you and about your business. And then we'll tackle about chatbot. Ang chatbot, ito yung magsasagot ng mga inquiry natin. And then from chatbot, dito na yung mabubook ng presentation. Bakit natin ito gagawin? Very simple. Because we want to target a specific market. We don't want to waste, number one, our time presenting. And number two, we don't want to waste our money presenting to the wrong people. Okay, so these are the three wrong people. We are targeting the right prospect for us. Okay, so prospecting ang ating mga susunod na topic. It's already 9:59. So sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating training today. I'll give you a little idea about the susunod. About 95% of networkers quit. Now, how do we put this down to 0%? We have the solution. Pero ngayon, it's already 10 o'clock. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. At gusto ko po muling magpasalamat sa lahat po na